Anh đừng có rồi có tù nữa mà thích nữa mà thích Jaimee rồi. Ô đấy. Bảo lại đi. Sẽ làm cho nó còn á, bây giờ hỏi ở trên chỗ tàu như thế. Ta mưa bằng chiều quân nhí trên sàn á. Tao quên tại gang này xin tỏ. Em tên á vừa vô những viên mưa vừa tiếp nữa à. Oh, this is Jaimee. Hi. Hi. Oh, hello. Wow. Tao nó tuyệt kìa, nó nhớ à. Oh, mà gắn tê bó nó rồi đấy. À. Đây đi bữa à. Nhân thật đảo này, nếu tên bữa mà to chơi nhớ mà lóng nhất mà to chơi. Oh, hi. Hi, good to see you guys again. Bữa xíu tự tiên để bữa pỉa tao á. Bữa pỉa keng tê à. Christopher นะนี่น่ะนี่ต้องหวังนี่ว่าต้องหวังเดือนอะไรอีกหน่อยอ่ะต้องหวังเดือนนี้เนี่ยหวังยังบ่เห็นเจมี่เนี่ยต้องตัวนั้นเนี่ยแต่เต็งเปียกแกงอ่ะเดี๋ยวพอจนก็รอดูต่อว่าแค่ต่อชิงยามเนี่ยเปียกแกงอ่ะแต่เกี่ยวกับการเนี่ยตัวนั้นบัวลูกน้อยบัวเมียนเนี่ยทานทั้งนออย่าโย
This is where there are activity events and performance. So if you chance to take a photograph or video on Facebook account, okay? As you very serious and happy out there, America. Bữa giờ nó tập buông này, bữa tiệc chén như muông, kiếm chén như làm, bữa em để biên em để chén, bữa em chén rồi em để biên tỏ, bữa giờ chúng tôi là phục vụ miền, chúng tôi là nhập tìm miền, bữa giờ em mai, hắn là Chris, thảo bữa Jaimee thì bữa dấu chén như nó sung miền, dấu tua hùng chén số anh chỉ cóเป็นอีพ่อmiền, mà bữa miền cần hiu nhà, chén như số thôngคงเรียกกันอีกว่ากับบุญเบียนส่วนคงบุญเบียนเราส่วนคงบุญเบียนอีเลยนะบุญอยากให้จำตีพ่อน้องมาแม่ตัดต่อก่อนออกตัวเซ็กแลนด์ที่หามก็กว่าชิ้นกว่างานกว่าจะหัวแต่ได้ถึงเราไปอีกว่าออกเมื่อตัวไหนจะเห็นว่ามันก็สปอร์ตทีมแจนนี่เราบุญจิ๋วก่อนได้นะบุญอยาก
Well, good evening, everyone. Again, my name is Melissa Chin here, one of the MCs for tonight. On behalf of Joe and Nye, the parents of the bride and groom, we'd like to thank every one of you from afar along the West Coast and other parts of the state who are joining us in this union to celebrate the bride and the groom. And this is an auspicious day for everyone, and we thank you for taking the time to travel far and coming here in this celebration. We are thankful that we are here. Like my other half said, you know, the bride and groom have already done their official wedding before. This is the side of the Mien side where the groom's mom would like to hold a reception for the Mien families and friends help celebrate her son's wedding and marriage. And so again, thank you again for coming here. We're about to get ready to start.
Sheila, aku kemana ni? Ya. Oh, tahu tiu. Okey, okey. Được không? Ý bây giờ tia tổng tế à? Yang saat ini yang ada ni saat ini tak tahu pun dengan China bau kubang. Okay, China tak senang tu, tak boleh tiu.
Hey, I know that the bride and groom are really changing. You know how butterflies are, right? They change and they just.
Thế đó chú đảm rất quen lắm mày nên lê với nào thế mà phải là như là nó sống được mà chủ chế nói chẳng ok đúng không à tôi cô hả tôi không thể tiêu tôi lắm tôi là đào hoài thế nè đào hôm nay kiếm tiền là đúng không? Mày cơ à? Không thể tiêu của ta tôi cô à, tôi không thể tiêu nhá.
Jaimee.
Yeah.
請嘅希孩ว่าคุณก็จะโจชาวนี่คือโจเรียกว่านั่นคือจะไปญี่ปุ่นนี่เลยคือแม่ใจจะหนาว
Quý tự nhiên bố bỏ tôi hai mươi tiền bỏ hai nó mang một tờ áo được tôi quý à. Yeah. À buổi tôi ready à, buổi tiền nó buổi tôi ready à. Đó. Hả? Ô mà các bạn mà cái buổi các bạn này.
Okay, you guys are ready. All right, here they come. Give a big hands up, please. All the way from ready to walk down here. So you guys can clap.
Sẽ là ít xíu nữa.
That's better. Thank you.
Tên nó VIP đây à. Tên nó VIP rồi anh nè. Ý bữa miền Nam biệt rồi nó chơi tỉnh à. Chơi tỉnh à, hiện là bữa muốn nhớ miền Nam tỉnh à.
如果家庭我哋辦咗諗法，咁人3個，能知我都。อีน้อยต้องจ้าน้อยออกหรือว่าอันนี้ congratulation to เสียงลั่นของเสียงหวังออกไปออกคนคิดในมอเป็นบุญวันต้องจ้าปุยเซแล้วก็เป็นบุญจุ้งอีมันเขาเบา ไ
YMP from Reading. I'm sorry I'm running around, so I have to bring the microphone with me now. We are still waiting for the bride and groom. You know, butterfly takes a while to transform, so just wait. In the meantime, we know there's we have some shows tonight too, besides just speech and all this stuff. We will have a lion dance. I thought it was dragon dance, but it's lion dance now. And then we will have a traditional procession. We have 4 young men.
Hả? Nào tụi khoai em khoai này cả hai coi á. À, tụi ta mà cả nó mà, luôn. Bắt ra mà cả nó. Beto lo. Sama. Thank you.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ Alright guys, let's go. Nice from here, hey, 1, 2, and 3.
Nanti buatkan cek satu berarti ya.
Hey, thank you.
Hey, Chris, I think that's our first kiss, right? What happened to the kiss? That's it?
Yang ini siapa rayu pun tahu tiang yang sehono tiang itu busana yang tona tiang yang quê xe với tụ tiền ôi xe nó xe biển hin xiên hoa là tiền nhiều nhưng nó là cùng luật chú với hậu cha ta gọi là tiếng nè vì nó còn là xem bé phí với nhà tài ô cho hở tiền hoa đã quyền sẽ ở đông là đang dệt dầu với yam lệ quang kín liền nhà còn cha sẽ ở rồi chưa là đồng quê với bạn xin ô chiều sẽ nó con cha cứ sẽ là theo liền dầu đó con làm có nhiều những chiều tìm làm pha bé thoát lại sầu mình phải ở sẽ ngả chân khóc sẽ bé cuốn chiều lô nhốt và thoát lại kiểm dân vắng ở thôn mình liền đi cấu nhẹ ơ xe nó xe quang kín xiên hoa đã cùng giang xin màn quy với giá mai giàu lẹt tiền sáng xiên rồi gắng hậu ấu คิดเลี้ยงเลี้ยงเสียงเกวยโอ้จ้าดินโหเจียงซองเจียงเลี้ยงโซลาโอ้เจ้าคิดเสียอยู่รอคุณมันก็หัวรอเก่าเยี่ยมจังสองแก่ยินยอมสองโอ้ดงแล้วฝากแก่งอ่อนหน่อยฝากแก่อ่อนที่อยู่เดียวโอ้มองเวเชียนเสฟังเจียวฟังเชียร์ปิ้งสองเดียวเจียวโอ้ยยินเจียวเจียวไว้หงมาแรงสิหมายมาโนอยู่ตู้เงินเงินเนี่ยนะว่าเข้าแต่เรามาตองมิจูเซมอยู่ตู้ตอนเนี่ยเราว่าปิ้งสองเจียวแรงสิ
I don't really know how to play it or how to sing it. But I asked my daughter-in-law, Jaimee, I go, I know a few English songs. Which one do you want for me to try to play? I gave her an option. She goes, do John Legend or me. So I'm going to try my best to do that.
เป็นเพื่อนคนนี้คนนี้ตอนเขาเนี่ยหวังว่าหวังกันเองตอนที่ดู
You give me all you. Cards on the table, we both showing heart. Wasting it all the ways hard. 'Cause all you lose all on me. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfection. Give your all to me, and give my all to you. You're my end, my beginning. Even when I'm so lame, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. For you guys.
แต่เปล่าพูดเนี่ยตอนเขาเนี่ยหวังอยู่ยูกานะ
At this point, I just realized that they came up with a slogan that says, "You run around like a chicken with a head cut off." That is me today. I cannot remember all the cousins and all the relatives that help us today, but I want to thank everyone of our relatives and cousins for helping us throughout the process. Thank you for you guys for coming out to do the video and the lion dance. Also, I want to thank the singers that came up, Linda and TMB band. I want to thank our own band, Kambang, as well. I appreciate you guys, every one of you. Lastly, because she's the speaker, I'm just killing her. But anyways, so I know it did not go well by I think my standard and his standard. It did not go well today. I was in charge of everything. I was in charge of everything, right? So all the things that went wrong is me. You don't have to fire me. I fired myself tonight because I did such a horrible job. But I appreciate every one of you coming tonight to support my son and my daughter-in-law. Now I give it to the person who's gonna speak real speak.
You're doing good, Joe. You're doing good. You're doing good.
dream.
Okay. Okay. So I guess I have to say I said something to them for them already, but you know I wanna Chris and Jaimee, I appreciate you guys. I'm happy that you guys found each other like going to college. I'm happy that you guys are supporting each other like a couple should. You know, I'm happy that we are two families united. My family is small, your family is big. So now we get a big family now, right? So big families and their family. So my in-laws over there. I appreciate you guys. So I guess one last thing is you guys are writing your stories. I'm not gonna say it. You guys are writing your stories. I know you will write it well. I know you will write it well. I'm happy. I'm anticipating to see what your story will become. But one word from Chris, dude. When in doubt, she's always right, okay? Okay, now I give to the real speaker.
You have a dark feeling, she's always right.
Tí vô giờ này con có đứa tập hợp này nhiều buồn có giúp nó là always cũng như là một lọ.
We'll come back, all right? We'll come back.
Chứ to là có giúp là always cũng như một trắng này. Trắng mà là đứa là cũng là một lọ. Có chân hả?
Thank you. Please, may I have a moment of silence?
Okay.
Could I get your
Y'all got
attention,
garbage?
please?
Garbage? Y'all gonna throw away garbage?
Thank you. I just wanted everyone to hear when I say thank you to all my family, my siblings, cousins, relatives, and friends for being here today to help celebrate this joyous and momentous occasion. Thank you to all who helped me to make today's celebration possible. Kay, for creating the wedding invitations. I appreciate you for helping me to initiate that. The South Sexy Sisters for prepping the fruits. Diane and Jay for shopping. My aunts and uncles for imparting their knowledge and wisdom. And my aunts for dressing up the bride and the groom. And everyone running around today from managing the dance requests to monitoring dinner tables and making sure the needs of our guests are met. I am truly appreciative of all of you. The most important person, however, my dearest sister, May. You're not just my sister, but a motherly figure. Thank you for everything you've done, too many things that I cannot begin to list. Thank you for making sure that today's event takes place and that my head is leveled and that I am grounded. Thank you to my mom, dad, my mother, and father-in-law, who are in heaven watching over us and being here in spirits. None of us would be here today if it weren't for all that you've imparted on us and instilled in us. Although you've left a gigantic hole in our hearts, you will be forever in our hearts. You will be forever our beacon of light, our North Star. To my daughter-in-law, Jaimee, I welcome you with open arms into the family, as you are Chris's beacon of light in the midst of a thunderstorm. When Chris is lost at sea, when the fog is too thick, or when he starts to waver in times of uncertainties and despair, you are his light, you are his being, and he is your name.
Welcome to the family. Now on to my dearest Chris, my son, my firstborn. From the moment you were born, you filled my heart with immeasurable joy and happiness. Although your paternal grandparents are not here today, you were the sunshine that lit up the darkest room and the darkest space in their hearts. You brought them joy, happiness, and promises of tomorrow. Being my firstborn, the expectations and standards were set enormously high, only to instill in you that warrior mentality. Chris, being my firstborn, the expectations and standards were set enormously high, only to instill in you that warrior mentality. Number one, so that you don't waver in times of uncertainties and in the face of your foes. Two, instead, you would have the courage to firmly stand your ground and principles. Three, in the midst of a thunderstorm, only to sway like a bamboo with flexibility over rigidity. So deeply rooted in the ground and your core values. As you move with grace, possessing the power to spring back up. As you fall down 7 times, you stand up 8 times. A famous Japanese proverb. Nana korobi yarobi. And possessing great humility and growth. As an old saying, the higher the bamboo grows, the deeper it bows, as success should breed humility, not stiffness. I am so proud of the man that you've matured into. I love you with all my being. Thank you so much, guys.
Now you know why I don't call her sweetheart. She's the only person that will make me cry. Yes, I cry, because someone told me a long time ago, it's okay to cry as a man, so I cried.
Okay, from your
Anh hết sức là bức bản miền mưa sắp tỉnh tai anh thôi. Hạt đau vậy ta. Tôi thấy bữa hít tôi nhé, bữa tỏi là na, hít tao nhé. Tê là very tan, tê là good friend. Nông sản, nông tay on được. What's up, David? Hey, somebody. Good to see you. Nông yêuไปthảo lo á. Nó, okay. Yết dưới kia bút có tao bút quang mà. Bữa sao mà nhớ một tỏi mình mà tê lao có tiền nhắn quang vậy bữa ta quang như nào vậy thôi à đấy tiền sống à
You know, you probably know I don't want toว่าเพราะว่าโจเนหนาวแซงเรียงไม่ยากแต่พวกเราเสร็จป้ายก็ต้องอยู่เสร็จกว่า
Tây Yên Hoang này, để bữa Yên Hoang từ nào? Christopher thở đấy với.
Ở đây quần mấy là mấy là cái
siêu to mà, đấy với Jaimee.
Mày trước mà ta coi chờ với chú, đã từ chú liều chú mày phá con à? em ready vô sạch quá mồ xíu sạch quá em ready vô sẽ có mấy pháo đi chủ chiến thế mình là to mấy pháo ấy thế mỗi hàng cái ta hiểu chỉ mình áp cái okay, mình là trên trao pháo is coming out now. It's very hard for me to get people because speakers but can I get a big bell now to
dưới là dưới á việc có bên dưới mới sống chiếu à
chơi là như thế phiêu
anh nói mà nếu có bên dưới mới lén chứ mà mình hết sống chiếu
nó là chơi với anh phải đi pro
oh
every single person in this building, but I left it at home. Next time.
เอาเลยน้ำไม่ปวดในเราฮะchú lo chú cho hỏi quan thì nó biết vừa đã làm qua tỏi camping ta không nhớ ngày không nhớ kiểu ai lòng chứ mà không phải cáo ok không là không biết ตอนจบนะตั้งแต่ตอนจบแล้วมันยังทับก็ไอ้กันนี่เนาะ
This poor boy.
ไอ้โน่อย่าทำช้ำเหมือนกันนะตอนจบเนาะ
The one before that was secret.